We are in the garden of Feodora because I have an update video that I owe you guys. If you recall, we planted some potatoes over here and we're gonna go ahead and harvest them. Now, we planted these way back in
summer?
Yeah, early summer of 21, and today is the 2nd of February 22. Yeah, I know, I kind of slacked a little bit, had a lot of things going on. Hopefully we can get in here and try to find something to eat. We mounded it up with hay. Every time we saw the stalk of the potato coming through, we just put more and more hay on it. And that was, like I said, over a half a year ago. So you ready to get in there?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's do it.
So frozen?
And the ground is frozen. It's not gonna stop us. The whole thing is moving.
I know.
Nothing. There could be some down. Uh-oh. There we go.
Wow, little taters.
Taters.
Little taters.
Let's see these.
Look at
Cool,
that.
cool, cool. We are getting food. They are ice cold.
What?
Yes, 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 yes. Wonder if the ducks got any eggs in here. I'm gonna go look for any eggs. Now, we came back here a couple of weeks ago and we actually found 2 guinea eggs. So I think we should be looking for some duck eggs too. But I don't see any. I don't see any eggs. Oh, unless there's some back there. I don't see any. And we got another one. No. So here's the plan now. Since Feodora helped us plant these potatoes here, it's only right that she gets in on the harvesting. So we have enough to make ourselves some soup for supper. And we're gonna go ahead and cover this back up. And then when I get my hands on her, she's gonna come back out and do the rest of this. One more for the road. Also, as an experiment, I had 2 buckets here and I put some yams in there. I put the whole yams in. The plan was to just kind of let them grow slips and then take the slips and then plant them out in different pots and grow bags. But that never happened. I did take out a few slips and we'll get to that one in a second. But as you can see, it's just soft, gooey yams down here that I put. Now I want to look deeper in here and see what may have manifested deep inside these buckets. Hey, look, a yamp. Oh, look at that. He's gooey gooey. Like that?
It's no good, Gweet.
Yeah, I know. You know what? I probably could have let this one go. Sit down there, but I guess I'll give it to the chickens. Hey, ducks. They like everything. Yeah, I don't think nothing's popping in these buckets.
I don't either.
Nobody says popping.
That's the one. They're gonna love that one.
Oh, look at that.
Beautiful.
I want to smell it. Oh, it smells sweet and rancid at the same time. Here, have a whiff.
Smells like fermenting wine.
Oh yeah, that's probably why I like it. All right, guys. There's nothing happening here. Here. Eat it. Failure.
Stop!
Failure.
Stop it!
All right, I get it. I'll be good.
Stop!
And we're gonna check out this area here. I already know there's nothing here because we got wild, silly ducks.
Stop it.
There was a beautiful video that I shot last March. It's right there. If you get a chance, go ahead and watch that video. It was filmed nice. It was filmed by me. The lady here did a thing.
Yeah.
We put down some onions right here. Made a nice onion bed. And I saw them coming up. They were beautiful. I saw the bulbs of them. Nice size. Then I let my men come inside here. And they just ransacked the whole thing. I didn't know ducks liked onions. So we're going to go ahead and dig and see what we can find. You ready?
Yeah.
By we, I mean you.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Underrated game system, by the way. Yeah, I'm thinking if we don't see them breaking through on the top,
I know.
they're not there. But we can look. I'll film another one this March, because by then all the ducks should be dispatched. Don't tell them I said that. Saw blueberry. It didn't give us any blueberries. This thing has been in the ground for, this is going to be the third year it's been in the ground now. And no blueberries as of yet. But our raspberry, on the other hand, this thing gave us many, many beautiful, juicy fruits last year. So here's hoping it'll do it again. You know? You can still see it has some life in it. Now we gotta look in there. I put some, what was it, yam slips I put in this one?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna see if anything came out of it, because there definitely was growth, but you know, we gotta check beneath the surface. Yeah. And on top of that, we had some kind of a creature or rodent in here that was a rabbit or something that kept setting off this motion light last year, so it could have dug through there and ate everything, but we're gonna check. So this ground is frozen too, huh?
Yeah, it is.
To keep my potatoes.
Keeping it away from us.
We can just dump it out. Let's just dump it out.
Okay. Hey, girl.
It's frozen to the ground. Look, look. Right there.
What, right here?
Yep. The yam.
Okay. Oh no, I broke it.
So I guess it rooted all the way through to the bottom and some grew there.
Should I leave it? Oh, came.
I'm eating good tonight. Right? I'll tell you what we're going to do with this. When Feodora comes, this is going to be another one that we dump out and check and see what's in there.
Yeah.
So let's move this back over here, and we'll come back to that in a couple of days.
Everything we do is not for you.
No.
Remember, I was sitting here in the thing and I was throwing them at you?
Yes. 5th of February. All right, we are going to get the rest of the potatoes. I have the lovely Feodora here.
Hello.
Hey, and you're going to stop it. Let's go. That ground's still a little bit cold.
Yeah, look, see? Right here.
Oh yeah,
Hey, look, this one's shaped like a pear or something.
it's a potato. We're not finding too many.
That's my toe.
Yeah, they're really small. But it's fun to do. See, I realized what our problem was. We did not fertilize this ground whatsoever. Now, if we do it further out there or something, where all the duckies play and chickens are, their poop and stuff has fertilized this ground very, very well. But over here, when we planted this, there were no birds or animals in here. And I really should have put like some bone meal or blood meal or something down. But now we got all that wonderful rabbit poop that'll help us out this year. You done? You done digging? All right. All right, go ahead and fix the gate back up here, and we'll hit over there.
And these ones are.
It's just the boy cat. It's just the boy.
Oh, hey, boy!
Hey, alien. Oh, little one. All right, we're gonna take this out and let it thaw in the sun. We are back with another time waster, because who knows what's gonna be in here. See, remember this, buddy?
No.
See, it's been that long. 3 weeks ago, we pulled this out of the garden because we thought yams would be in there. And we don't know if they are because this was frozen solid. So, we're gonna look into it now. So you ready? So we waited all this long to conclude this video. Look at her dancing with Happy.
I am what I am, and that's all that I am.
Stop it. Go ahead, just dump it.
Flip it over.
Yeah, just dump it.
Oh.
Dump it!
Don't break it.
Yeah, that thing's...
It's already. Oh, I see one.
You do?
Yeah.
You see a yam?
Yeah, look, it's right there.
Yam! Oh, you did...
It just broke. It's like soggy and.
Oh, got too wet. The dirt was too moist. Well, you two, ladies and gentlemen, can grow 2 soggy yams.
Yay! The birds will enjoy it.
Will they? Or are
Yeah,
they
they will.
too good for us?
Watch this.
Okay.
Ooh, it is. It is soggy.
Okay, let's see. Those ain't too good for us. Yeah, throw it in there. They hate everything. All right, we're done. Well, that video right here took us over a year to make. From planting tomato slips and tomato seeds and all that, all the way here to February 21st, 2022. Hey, yeah, whatever that is. Power girl. So we out of here. We did all that nonsense so you can watch our ducks eat some soggy yams. And I'm out of here. Look, we got some other videos coming up I'm working on. We're dealing with rabbits, we're dealing with ducks, we're dealing with chickens, we're dealing with cooking, we also dealing with photography. A lot of little artistic things happening here in the Garden of Feodora. Right, buddy?
Right.
Yep. And as always, tell them.
Peace from the Garden of Feodora.
I want to take this moment in the video to thank my daughter. Thank you, Feodora, for being Daddy's inspiration and for being everything to me. I love you so very much, and I couldn't do it without you. Daddy loves cooking. And don't forget, please subscribe or hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.